How to Make Slime by Lydia and
Melissa.
Okay, first you have to grab all your things that you need to make it, like activator, glue, and then glitter glue for color or food dye.
Now, the next step is you're going to put the glue into your bowl.
Okay, then after that, we're gonna put our food dye in, but we don't have that, so we're using glittery and blue glue. And you mix the dye into the slime.
Now we add the activator and then you mix it. Okay, this is how it's supposed to look like with it's like forming together. It's supposed to look like sticky.
Then you take it out and start playing with it.
At the end, the slime is supposed to look like this.
What is it supposed to feel like?
It feels sticky. If it's still sticky, you should add more activator until it is not sticky. Put more activator! Yvette, what do you do? Put more activator!
Let me do my thing.
Wait, I need this to stay on the paper. I still have a lot of the glue in the paper.
Mixy, mixy, mix. Mixy, mixy, mix.
Hey Lydia, it's kind of working now.
Yeah, me too.
What are you making? Why is it everywhere?
My slime.
You added too much glue. I mean, too much activator, Yvette. What the freak?
Hey, this is a family
It's so
channel.
watery.
The process